Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to play your Xbox 360 games on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is press the Xbox button on your controller, and then from here select My Games and Apps, and then choose See All, and then I'll scroll down and select Full Library, and then from here you'll see all the games that you currently own or all the games that you have, and then come here down on this drop down menu and select Group by Console Type, and then scroll down and find the Xbox 360 games. So scroll down. So this is Xbox One games. Scroll down, and then here are the Xbox 360 and the original Xbox. So now find the game that you'd like to download. So let's say, for instance, if I want Fallout 3, so select it and then install it, and that will install that particular game. And that's basically it on how to play your Xbox 360 games on your Xbox Series X. So once it's downloaded, you can now play it and enjoy it on your Xbox Series X. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.